This might be your last chance to get into Tesla stock before we start seeing crazy highs in the stock. You might think this stock is overvalued, but I'm going to explain why I think this is just the beginning, and this is kind of like your last chance to buy into before the stock goes into crazy higher highs. I'm going to explain it in this video, why you should probably go all in Tesla stock. Here we go. What is going on? Welcome to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, where we teach you how to become a more profitable investor in the stock market. That is our dedication to you. If you are brand new here, what in the world are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. You definitely do not want to miss out any amazing videos that will help you make money in the stock market. Our dedication to you is bringing you the insight in the stock market for you to become a profitable investor in the stock market. There's no point in investing if you're not making profits consistently, like we show you in this channel. Before we get started, I do want to give you the opportunity to get 2 free stocks with WeBull. This is very easy and simple to do. All you have to do is click the link in the description and follow the steps. Also, Robinhood is going to give you a free stock as you sign up. So that's 3 free stocks that you can get. On Finance, another amazing brokerage, they're going to give you $10. I really like their platform as well. And then my favorite, Discovered Secure Credit Card, I have this one. They're going to give you a $50 sign-up bonus as soon as you get started. That's $50 of free spending money. Alright, let's get to the video. So this is my portfolio right now. And my recent video, I talked about Carnival Cruise Line. You should go check it out if you haven't. But I decided to start a brand new position, and I said why you should go all in, and it is working for me. Right now I have 10 shares. I'm up about around $21, so it's already starting to take off. I'm gonna build this position to probably $10,000, so we'll see how fast it grows. I have a very specific swing trade strategy where I buy very little shares and then I start adding more shares as it continues to trend up. It has worked very well for me in the past. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And my opportunity with this stock is to make some quick swing trade money, quick profit with this stock. I'm already more than 100% with my Robinhood portfolio. I wouldn't be sharing this video if I weren't a profitable investor. That is the most important thing when it comes down to investing in the stock market. You're investing to make money, not to lose money. So just being able to double your money through investment gains is kind of crazy. Usually, you should only expect 8 to 9% from average return on investment returns from the stock market. So being able to double it in 1 to 2 years, that's absolutely crazy. But this is just fun money. I always recommend for you to have separate accounts and your biggest account to be the long-term investments, which basically you just buy and hold good growth stocks. Not like this, definitely. This is very risky. But once you learn the game, you're able to make good profits. I recently made $4,000 from Facebook, $1,000 from UDAO. Those are just the recent stock market profits, but you feel free to go through my channel so that you can see all the profits that I've ever taken. Alright, so Tesla. Right now, Tesla is at all-time highs. There is crazy news going on right now where Tesla is going to be included in the S&P 500. S&P 500 is one of the biggest index funds. The index fund S&P 500 has the 500 biggest market cap companies in the United States. So basically the largest companies in the United States, the top 500 of those are the S&P 500. And Tesla is going to be added to that list. This is absolutely crazy because once it's added to the list, that means that everyone who invests in the S&P 500, which is basically everyone that has a 401k, Roth IRA, or any sort of investment account or brokerage, you're more than likely investing in the S&P 500. So even if you don't want to invest into Tesla or you have no interest, just by you investing in that fund, you're automatically going to invest into Tesla. So this means that Tesla is about to have a lot more money coming in to Tesla stock. So what does that mean? That means that Tesla stock should continue to go higher than it is now, just because whenever people buy the stock more, it's gonna go up no matter what. And what's crazy about Tesla stock is that you have an amazing short-term gain opportunity from the stock. So if you want to swing trade the stock or make some quick money with the stock, you can absolutely do it. And here's how. So this stock will be added to the S&P 500 on December 21st. So that means that once it's December 21st, a lot more money is going to be coming into Tesla stock. So what you can do now is you can start buying some shares of Tesla stock and then sell it as soon as all the money comes in on December 21st. This is an opportunity for you to make some quick money, but there is a lot of risk when it comes down to this. So everything you're going to do, it's all your own responsibility. Make sure it's something that you're willing to do, and it's money that you can lose money from it. So make sure you take responsibility when it comes down to that. But yeah, it's going to be added to the S&P 500, which is very exciting because now Tesla's going to have more money. Right now, Tesla is struggling financially because everything they're doing costs a lot of money. So they're having a difficult time saving money or having a good balance sheet. But you have to realize that this is something that Amazon was doing as well. Before, Amazon wasn't profitable at all. They spent many years without the company being profitable whatsoever. And a lot of people criticized Amazon for this. They thought that Amazon was never going to make money and that it was overvalued, and it just didn't make sense for a lot of people. But what you have to realize is that there's crazy opportunities in companies where they basically change the world. So a good way to analyze this is, what did Microsoft do? They changed the world. What did Apple do? They changed the world. What did Amazon did? They changed the world. What is Facebook doing? They're changing the world through social media. The world is completely different with them. What is Tesla gonna do? They're gonna change the world. So it's crazy opportunity for Tesla. Eventually, all of our cars will be self-driving. Do you know how many deaths are caused every year from vehicles, from people driving vehicles? AI can make this a lot safer and basically impossible for any car to crash. So it's very likely that Tesla's gonna be one of those companies that are gonna change the world. And right now, you don't see Teslas absolutely everywhere. They're still kind of rare. And the one thing that I wanted to point out is that you might think Tesla stock is overvalued, but look at Amazon. Don't you think that people thought it was overvalued when it was like $500, $600 like Tesla is? Yes, but the whole point of this is any point you would have bought Amazon stock, you would have been up on your position. No matter where you bought, any one of these years, if you put money in Amazon, you're gonna make money. Same thing with Tesla. This is not a guarantee. There's obviously risk involved. Don't just go by what I'm saying, but more than likely it's gonna happen just how it happens with Facebook. Any money you put in Facebook, you're gonna be up on your position eventually. It's just a matter of you holding onto your shares and adding more. Any point that you would have bought Facebook stock, you would have been up on your position. And this goes on and on and on with Apple, with Netflix. Any single stock you look at that basically changed the world, any point, even if it seems overvalued, it's always going to do a higher high. And especially Tesla. Tesla is very similar to Amazon. Amazon changed the way people shop. Now Tesla is changing the way people drive. So they definitely have a huge opportunity ahead of them. Obviously, it can sell off in the short term, but just like any one of these big stocks like this, over time it's going to go up. So to me, Tesla seems like a very safe company. I would be fine with putting all of my money into Tesla stock, and I am definitely putting a lot through my Roth IRA in this stock. I think there's more potential long-term than short-term with Tesla right now. I'm really interested in what you have to say from what I said, so leave me a comment down below on your opinion. Alright, so there we go. That is my analysis on Tesla stock. Tesla has still not changed the world yet, but they're definitely starting to. So this is the stage where you basically have to invest in them, or else you're gonna miss out on huge ROI. That is why I made this video, and I hope that this makes sense to you. If you disagree or have another opinion or agree, let me know in the comment section down below. Like this video and make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. Peace.